Hello, this is Yohei. I'm gonna explain what is prewrap. The green one is prewrap. This is work for protection of skin. So for example, if I'm gonna put on the finger, I'm gonna put on finger here, out. Yes, on the finger and roll it. Then I would like to put on the tape, I don't have to put on tape on the skin directly. Now I'm gonna explain how to use prewrap. So I need to hold the tape like the opposite way, and keep the tension of tape. And if I don't put on no tension, it's caused uncomfortable by friction. So please make sure we keep tension of tape and roll it. Then now how we gonna cut? It's very soft, so can easy to cut. Next, she can show the different angle, and she's put on keep tension and lowering, and then now she gonna cut. It's very easy. In conclusion, first, prewrap for protect skin. Second, keep the tension of the tape. Third, you can easy to cut the tape. When you finish the tape, it's ready for the another step of tape. Thank you.